Hi, Ivan here. Today we are going to solve Subarray Division problem. Two children, Lily and Ron, want to share a chocolate bar. Each of the squares has an integer on it. Lily decides to share a contiguous segment of the bar selected such that the length of the segment matches Ron's birth month and the sum of the integers on the squares is equal to his birthday. Determine how many ways she can divide the chocolate. Let's see an example here. The segment of chocolate is 2, 2, 1, 3, and 2. The Ron's birthday is 4, and the Ron's birth month is 2. Lily wants to find segments summing to Ron's birthday, which is 4, with the length equaling his birth month is 2. In this case, there are two segments meeting her criteria, 2 and 2, which is S2 long, which is equals to Ron's birth month, and its sum 2 plus 2 is 4, which is equals to Ron's birthday. Also the 1 and 3. Complete the birthday function in the table below birthday. Let's see another example in here. Example is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, and the birthday is 3 and the birth month is 2. So the sum is equal to 3 and the array length must be 2. So in here the common possible is the 1 and 2 in here and 2 and 1 here, because it has length of 2 and its sum is 3. Let's jump into the explanation. The key points I have in here: the array must divide it contiguously. Then the length of the segment, length of the array that will be returned is equal to birth month. Sum of all elements in considered array is equal to birthday. So our strategy is iterate through all numbers from beginning until month minus 1 before last. For each number, iterate for month long and find sum of it. If sum equal to birth date, increment ways count. In here, and notice that from beginning until month minus 1 before last. Month minus 1 is because we will gonna divide the array contiguously with the length of month here. So we not gonna iterate through until the last element, but last element is in here. Last element is defined as the last index is month minus 1. So let's jump to the solution. Let's rearrange. We will gonna init count as ways count, ways to share or divide the chocolate with 0. Then we will gonna iterate from beginning to m minus 1 before last. Yes. Then we will gonna init sum with 0 to store temporary sum here. We will gonna iterate for birth month m long. We will gonna iterate for m long. How can we do this? Here I use j for iterating through numbers until next m long. So j, we will get the numbers from I until the increment until m long. Then k in here I use two helper. So because we gonna iterate for m times, so the k I use for to count the iteration. Then if sum equal to birthday t, increment count, then return count. Okay, let's try this. So we're gonna init count like this, count. And in here we will gonna iterate from beginning until, let's take this, until the m minus 1. the length, the last element, subtract by m minus 1. This we're gonna take sum here. Then we will gonna take an iteration. So let's see, this is with two sides. So when the iteration will stop here, so that we can make a continuous divide division to this for 2 elements long here. Let's take this. We will gonna have two variable in this loop. J is for the iterate the number here to get the number. So it will start from I, and K we will gonna iterate this is word 1 and 2 times. So we will gonna do it with 0, and then we will gonna iterate until m times. So K less than m, and J comma K it will increment by 1, J plus 1, K plus 1 like here, and the sum we will gonna add from J, because J is used for get the number here as J like this. If sum is equal to D, if sum is equal to D, the count is incremented. Let's run the code. KM, sorry. It's past the first test case. It passed all the test case. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions or better solutions, write down on the comment section below. Thanks.